Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. We'll be making another button chain for shirts and tops. This time we'll be using a flat back buttons. This one I do not need to cut off or pull out a shank from behind, so it's easier. Now we have the rivets. This is 10mm long shank. Of course, you need your chain. You could use silver, you could use gold tone. This is gold tone. Just make sure that the holes are wide enough to let your rivets pass through. You have 4 buttons and 3 sets of rivets, and the fourth one is brooch pin. Because the rivets I'm using this time are the double cap, I need to flatten one side to make the glue stick. And when you put it, hold it for a while to make sure it sticks. And flatten the back, put your glue, attach the rivet and hold it. Now the fourth one is the brooch pin. Press it hard. You could use something to press it to make sure it's hard without making a mess. But if you feel like there are mess from the glue, some kind of residuals, just get something. This is glue gun. I'm using glue gun to clean up the mess around the button. Hot glue can make a mess. It can really be messy, but that's fine. Clean it up. Leave the buttons to dry for a few minutes, like 5 minutes, so that they don't fall off when you start attaching the chain. When you set the chain, you attach the cap cover. You have to clip it to make sure the cap does not fall off. When you do that, the next one will be between 3.5 inches apart or 4 inches. I'm using 4 here. 4 inches is beautiful when the chains are long. You do it again until when you get to the fourth one, it doesn't have to be 4 inches. Here I'm using more than 6 inches. Yeah, 6 inches. Yeah, after a while I realized that it wasn't as long as I wanted it, so I attached more chain to it. Right here is about 6 inches. I attached about 1 inch more. Yeah, but I didn't show that. Now you remember the first other ones that we did, we just hook the chain to the brooch pin, but this time we'll be doing it different. We'll be using a jump ring. Go right under the brooch pin, bring it out, but that jump ring seemed kind of small, so I used a bigger one now. So I just showed you the second one that I used instead of the first one, because I didn't want to struggle to bring it out. It's secure. You could see that the extension, the last one, is kind of longer. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you back soon again, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.